London Cocktail Club, we love a good twist, and this is one of my favourites. A twist on the Espresso Martini. R. Kelly once famously said there's nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. And this bump and grind is a future classic. A really easy drink to make. I'm going to start with Tia Maria and add 30 millilitres. That lovely, rich coffee flavour with salted caramel vodka, another 30 mils, is the core balancing. Coffee mix. For those of you in a bit of a rush or don't have a coffee machine to hand, it's not a problem. We go with an instant coffee, 10 to 1, mix it down so it's nice and thick and rich, and that's going to provide us with the perfect head on this Espresso Martini. Now just to bind it and give it a touch more sweetness, I'm going to add 5 mils. So if you've got a sweet tooth, you might want 10 sugar syrup. Now that they're all in, we're going to give it a very, very, very quick shake. We don't want too much dilution on here, we're going to lose the rich flavour of the coffee. Literally that fast. I'm going to give it a quick taste. Salted caramel vodka and an Espresso Martini is going to change the world. Now into a small coupe glass. I'm going to give that a strain. Make sure you get all of the top. LCC style, we're going to garnish with a Bourbon biscuit. Cheers guys, I hope you enjoy.